If you're planning a trip to China, you're in for an unforgettable travel experience. With a rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes, China has a lot to offer to travelers. However, with so many cities to choose from, it can be challenging to decide where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 cities to visit in China to help you plan your trip. Number 5. Chengdu, the Panda City. Chengdu is known as the home of the giant panda, and a visit to the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding is a must for animal lovers. In addition to the giant pandas, Chengdu also offers a rich culinary scene with its famous Sichuan cuisine. The city is also home to many temples and historical sites, such as the Wenshu Monastery and the Jinsha Site Museum. You can also enjoy a cup of tea at a traditional tea house, or visit the local markets to shop for souvenirs. Number 4. Xian, ancient history. Xian is famous for its terracotta warriors, one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. In addition to this UNESCO World Heritage Site, Xian also boasts a rich history and culture, with its ancient city walls, Muslim quarter, and Big Wild Goose Pagoda. The city is also a hub for traditional Chinese art, such as calligraphy and painting. You can also try the local cuisine, which includes the famous Rijiamo, Chinese hamburger, and biangbiang noodles. Number 3. Shanghai, the modern metropolis. Shanghai is the most populous city in China and offers a mix of traditional and modern sights and experiences. The city's skyline is a sight to behold, and you can get a panoramic view of the city from the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower. Take a stroll along the Bund, a famous waterfront promenade, or visit the Shanghai Museum to learn more about the city's history and culture. Shanghai also has a thriving food scene, with its famous xiaolongbao, soup dumplings, and street food. Number 2. Guilin, natural beauty. Guilin is known for its stunning karst landscapes, with its limestone mountains and winding rivers. The city offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of the big cities. Take a boat ride along the Li River, or hike up to the top of Elephant Trunk Hill for a panoramic view of the city. Guilin is also a great place to experience rural China, with its traditional villages and rice paddies. You can also enjoy the local cuisine, which is famous for its rice noodles, stinky tofu, and fish dishes. Number 1. Beijing, the capital city. Beijing is the capital city of China and should be on top of your list. As the political and cultural center of the country, Beijing is home to many iconic landmarks such as the Forbidden City, the Temple of Heaven, and the Summer Palace. The Great Wall of China is also easily accessible from Beijing, and you can take a day trip to explore this architectural marvel. The city also has a vibrant art and culture scene, with its museums, theaters, and operas. Beijing is also famous for its delicious cuisine, from Peking duck to street food. These 5 cities are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to exploring China. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or culture, there's something for everyone in China. Remember to try the local cuisine and immerse yourself in the local culture for an authentic experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to China today and experience the wonder of this beautiful country for yourself.